Welcome to BPS Access Solutions video on the Premium DIY Scaffold Tower. The Premium DIY Tower is perfect for all sorts of work around your home. It is incredibly quick to erect, and to start the whole process off, it is important to connect the bottom horizontal and diagonal bars together as shown. This allows for you to connect the two base frames together with minimal effort. All our braces use the twist lock system, which contributes immensely to the quick assembly, but also means that there is no need for any additional tools. Once the base sections are connected together, you can begin to slot in the second set of frames. To save time during assembly, we recommend connecting the remaining brace bars to these top sections. Our detailed instructions will show you their exact placement. Once the frames are in place, secure them using the spring clips provided. These are a vital safety feature, ensuring the frames are locked together at all times. Once the two final diagonal braces are connected, you can put the platform in place. The non-slip platform is made out of marine plywood, meaning it is extremely weather resistant and also has a self-closing trapdoor for your safety. They have one red safety clip at either end, which secures the platform firmly in place. Following this, you can climb up the tower through the trapdoor to fit the remaining two horizontal braces. We recommend this is done while sitting on the platform for safety reasons, ensuring you aren't standing on an unguarded platform. Once the braces are fixed, you can get on with using your tower. With the 4 and 5 meter tower sizes, we offer the option to buy a set of 2 or 4 outriggers. These increase the stability of the tower and are recommended when using outside. They are secured using a wing nut and bolt, simply clamping onto the side of the tower. The Premium DIY Scaffold Tower can be supplied in either 4, 5, 6, or 7 meter working heights, meaning it is suitable for almost any application around your home. Here you can see the 7 meter model in action, which provides great access to those out of reach areas. For more details, please check out the product description tab on our webpage. If you have any further questions, please not hesitate to contact us. We look forward to your order.